started reorganizing my wardrobe, giving a few things away. You know, the whole Marie Kondo challenge. Is it a challenge? Marie Kondo way of recentering and organizing your life. But I came to these babies and I just didn't have the heart to let them go. How does she say it? They still spark joy. So this is going to be today's tutorial. I'm going to tailor the waist so that it actually fits me and I have better use. So hopefully with this video you guys can learn a trick or two. And yeah, let's begin. As you can see, these are way too big for me. When I was younger, I used to buy clothes that were bigger than my size, as you can see. And yeah, as I've grown, I've realized that this is very unflattering, and hopefully through this video, by taking it in, making it high-waisted, they'll look more flattering. As you can see, I'm using a seam ripper to undo the stitches on either side of my pants. Be sure that the amount of stitching you're taking out on the left matches the amount you're taking out on the right. Yes, it does look like you're ripping out a lot. Just keep going until you get on the inside of the waistband so that you are able to turn it inside out. This is what it should look like. When you've taken all the seams out and you're happy with the result, cut the waistband to match the line on the side of the pants. Using the pins, put together the two right sides of the waistband. I quickly realized that there's only so much seam ripping and bunching I can do on either side of the pants, and the waist still needed to be taken in by quite a bit, so I then did the same to the back of the pants. Once you're done and happy with where you've placed your pins, you can now straight stitch right alongside them. I think it's best to take your time with this process because it is quite thick depending on your machine, and you want to get it as straight as possible so that it looks good on the outside. I then cut out the excess fabric so that it wasn't bulky when I turned it inside out, or back to its original place. Copy this process on all three sides. fit the rest of the jeans back into place and straight stitch along the waistband. Make sure to match the straight stitch line that you have now created alongside the existing lines of your jeans so that it has a clean finish. And with that, let's see the new fit.